Welcome everyone to this amazing video. And this video is going to be exclusively for my lovely South India students who were waiting for this CA Final FR regular 100% English batch. So I had received a lot of request for this because recently I had launched my Hindi regular batch. So in that I received a lot of queries that sir, we want a 100% English regular batch also. So here I am fulfilling all your requirements. So this video is going to be relevant for you guys. Also, if you have any of your friends who were looking for this batch, definitely forward this video to them because you never know for whom this might be very much helpful. Okay, so I will give you all the details. Just be patient. Just listen to this whole video. Your maximum queries will be cleared. Even if few of the queries are unanswered, comment section is yours. You can put in a comments. Okay. So let's start the discussion. First of all, CA Final FR regular 100% English batch. Okay, this is starting from 11th of August. The timings are going to be in evening because in morning my Hindi regular batch is ongoing. So in evening we will conduct this batch. Don't worry, we have both the options live as well as recorded. I will tell you all the details. Please be patient. Okay. Now the price is introductory offer. It is valid till 10th of August and post that it will increase. So it is better if you register in advance. Okay. Now, what is going to be the start date of this batch? I have planned this batch to start from 11th of August. That is the upcoming Monday. Okay. This is going to be a blended batch. Now, what is the meaning of blended batch? So basically it will be a mix of live plus recorded lectures. Okay. How this will work, I will explain it here. Okay. So it is going to be a blended batch Monday to Saturday. Starting date will be 11th of August and it will end around 20th of December. Okay. Acha. Now, for which attempt is it applicable? So it is applicable for May 2026 and onwards. That means if your attempt is falling in 2027, you can opt for this. If your attempt is falling in 2028 also, you can opt for this. Okay. So needless to say, even if there are any amendments or changes, it is my duty. Don't worry. I will provide everything which is relevant till your attempt. Okay. So when we talk about the mode of this batch, you have two options. The first is the blended mode. Now, what is the meaning of blended mode? So it is a blended batch. Few chapters will be live and few will be recorded. Which chapters will be live, sir? The chapters which have some changes, some additional questions, that I will conduct live. And the chapters which don't have any change, like they are already amended, there are no changes in that chapter, those will be given to you recorded. Now, the recording will happen, the recorded lectures also will be given in a very scheduled manner. So let's say first three topics I conduct live. So that will happen live. Now let's say the fourth chapter requires 3 days and it is given to you in a recorded mode. So to complete that fourth chapter, I will give you 3 days of holiday also. Okay. So thus recordings won't be given to you all at once. It will be given to you in a very scheduled manner so that you can complete your syllabus with me. So even if I'm giving recorded lectures, for you it is more like a live only because you will get specific number of days to complete that recorded chapter. Okay. So this is how blended batch will work. Don't worry, everything will be taken care of. Okay. Everything which requires me to conduct a live batch, I will take that chapter live. If for any chapter I have a good recording which has no amendments, then only that will be given to you in a recorded mode. You can assume that approx 40-50% will be live and the balance will be recorded, and that will happen in a very scheduled manner. This is for those who are thinking of coming in the live batch from 6 to 9 p.m. Okay. Second option is you can opt for the recorded mode. So in recorded mode, the lectures will be uploaded on a daily basis. Okay. So whatever lectures I'm taking live, of course, as and when I'm taking live or as and when I'm giving recorded here, those will be provided to you in the recorded mode also. So if there is issue with your articleship timings, or if by any chance you're not able to come from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m., then you have the option to watch it recorded as well. Okay. You have 1.7 views. So don't worry about the views. It is sufficient. Now validity, it will be for 3 years. So you can watch the lectures for 3 years because of course there will be many students who are taking the lectures, let's say for 2027 or 28. So validity is sufficient. Don't worry. Books you will receive in hard copy. One colored concept book you will receive. 2 question banks you will receive which covers all the questions of ICI, and also because we have 30 marks of MCQ, you will receive the MCQ booklet as well. Apart from this, what about the coverage, sir? Will you cover everything or we need to refer anything else? So you can mark my words on this. Each and every concept will be covered. If any of your senior has referred my lectures or revision videos, they can tell you about my content coverage. It will be 100% coverage. Okay, don't worry about it. We will study everything conceptually. We will solve more than 1,000 questions, or you can say mostly all the questions in the class itself. Okay. Also, when we solve all the questions, I will give you a marking of important questions also. So let's say you are solving all the 1,000 questions in the class. Now, from those 1,000 questions, which are the important questions, that marking also I will give you. Okay, and MCQs will also be taken care of. Don't worry about it. Now, once we study everything within class, also we will revise multiple times. Also, I will provide you with separate revision videos which can be useful for your subsequent revisions. In class, we will also conduct test, and the best feature is within this batch I will provide you with the evaluation facility. Okay, so you can give test, and within 6 to 7 days our team of all India rankers will evaluate the test for you and send it to you. Okay, so this everything, hard copy of books, test, lectures, is included in the batch. Don't worry about it. Duration, exact I don't know, because as and when the batch progresses we will see, but approximately around 240 hours it will take. This is a regular batch, that's why. Sir, how about doubt solving? So if you're coming live, you can ask in the class. Apart from that, doubt support facility will also be given to you. In our app only there will be an option to ask doubts, so you can directly ask doubts with me. Also, a Telegram group will be created, you can ask doubts there as well. Okay, also we will try to conduct separate Zoom sessions for regular guidance which you need, motivation, guidance, strategy and anything. Okay, so this is everything about the batch. Only one thing I can say, you can trust me on this. Your FR is my responsibility. Also, if you want to see how I teach, I guess one and a half year ago I had taken a similar regular batch in English. The demos will be available on my channel. You can just search C Akash Kandoi FR English demo. Okay, or in the playlist section of my YouTube channel also you can find, so you can just see that. Okay, now how to enroll? For enrolling you can visit bbvirtuals.com. Wait, I'll show you. So yeah, see the magic. This is the BB Virtual website. Okay, in BB Virtuals you can go in video lectures. In CA final financial reporting you can go. Okay, so here you will see this, the first product, CA final FR regular batch. Look for this word full English. Okay, so if your attempt is in May 26 and onwards, go for this batch. Sir, if my attempt is in Jan 26, then you can go for the old English batch. There is also an old English batch, this one. You can go for this. September 25 onwards if your attempt is in Jan 26. But if it is in May 26 and onwards, you can go for this batch. There is a pre-booking offer. The prices are going to increase. Okay, if you can see, the Hindi batch is already increased with increased price because it started early. Your batch is starting 10 days late, so I will increase the price from 10th of August. So it is better if you enroll fast. Also, it is better if you enroll in a couple of days so that the books can reach to you on time. Okay, so this is everything about the batch. If you have any other queries, comment section is yours. You can definitely drop in your messages. Okay, also one request, if you find this video helpful, do like it and also share it with your friends for whom this might be helpful. Okay, with that we will wrap up this session. Thank you so much. Bye bye everyone, take care, see you all. Bye bye.